To add your print business, click Add Listing. You can then select between a free or paid listing. Then fill out your company details. The more information you provide, the better your listing will rank. You can select different features from several categories. Add photos to showcase your work. Ensure you enter your correct email address. Your listing will only be displayed once we approve your listing. This takes up to 72 hours. Once approved, you will receive a username and password via email. When you log in, you will have access to stats about your listing.
So, why list on printcity? Most advanced based archive search system. Instant user-friendly filters. And many more features. Do not delay. List today.